Hi everyone. Well, we are checking the types of nouns. Types of nouns. Here we go. Regular, irregular, abstract. For irregular, we have number one, car, man, irregular, love, abstract, table, regular, pen, regular, ball, regular, computer, regular, woman, irregular, chair, regular, shelf, irregular, body, irregular, house, regular, person, irregular, fish, irregular, hope, abstract, wolf, irregular, tree, regular, knife, irregular, mirror, regular, erase, regular, candy, irregular, desk, regular, ship, irregular, bed, regular, and book, regular. Remember that for the plural of regular nouns, we just add what? The letter S at the end, okay? So, car is singular, cars, plural. Pen, singular, pens, plural. Computer, singular, computers, plural. That's it. House, singular, houses, plural. Mirror, singular, mirrors, plural. Desk, singular, desks, plural. Book, singular, books is plural. Okay? Then again, also here in table, tables is the plural. For ball, balls is the plural. For chair, chairs is plural. For tree, trees is plural. Eraser, erasers is the plural. For bed, beds is the plural. But we have that for the irregular nouns, the plural of man, for example, is men. The plural of shelf is shelves. The plural of person is people. The plural of wolf is wolves. The plural for candy is candies. The plural for sheep, remember that stays the same. Sheep. The plural for woman is women, women. For body, the plural is bodies. For fish is fish. It stays the same. For knife, it's knives. Okay? Then we have the abstract nouns, love and hope, and they have obviously no plural. They are uncountable nouns. Okay? Then let's check the countable and uncountable. We have some of them here. Car is countable, man countable, love uncountable, table countable, pen countable, ball countable, computer countable, woman countable, chair countable, shelf countable, water uncountable, house countable, sugar countable, uncountable, sorry, sugar uncountable, shirt countable, hope uncountable, wolf countable, dust uncountable, coffee uncountable, mirror countable, oil uncountable, beer uncountable, gas uncountable, hat countable, bag countable, sadness uncountable, door countable, bread uncountable, and knife, countable. Okay, so these are all our nouns for this video. Okay,